You got your bug containers?
Yep.
Okay, now you're just on the lookout for lightning bugs.
Yep. Do you hear the fireworks?
Yeah, I do. Do you hear that?
You hear that?
Oh, I see one over here.
Where?
He's blinking over this way.
Oh, I see it.
See it? Where'd it? Did you catch it? Oh, right behind you, Aliyah.
Got it! I caught it!
Yeah. Put it in your.
We caught it! He's worried. There's a bug.
Did you get it?
Yep. DJ, how do you
Put your lid back on.
DJ on me? Guys, you can even see he's like circling around there. You guys see he's like circling. Hey guys, I show you something.
On the side. Let me see the side.
Oh, there he is!
There
You
he
can see
is.
him. He's trying to get out. Hey,
All right, let's
DJ.
go find some more.
Hey,
So this-
DJ, I
Oh,
told
you
you.
gotta play phone.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you can call the bugs.
Yeah.
Tell them to come out.
They're not ringing me.
They're not answering you?
Yeah, they're
Oh.
not answering.
Will they be like on the side of the house? Maybe?
Do you see any?
I don't.
There's one right there.
Okay, let's go get it.
I want it.
Oh.
I got
See him crawling. You guys see that? You can see his fireworks. Whoa, guys! You saw that?
Oh, there they go.
Yeah. You guys can't like kind of see him, but it's kind of dark out. You can see him. Whoa, it's still going. That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
That's actually really cool.
Maybe the lightning bugs will come out and see it.
I think so. The light. Whoa, did you guys saw that when it twists like that?
That was pretty neat.
Yeah, that was so cool.
Okay, let's go find our bugs.
Wesley, you
The
want me
bugs are calling me,
What are
guys.
they saying?
We are hiding.
That's what they said.
They
Let's go look for hiding bugs.
Yeah.
They said somewhere else, somewhere far away.
That's,
There's one.
oh, Aliyah found another one. Let's go help her. She said she'd give you the next one.
Give me another.
Yeah. We gotta catch one for you. They're really
Where'd he go?
Guys, where's my
There he is. Did you get it?
Where's my lid? Where's my lid?
Uh-oh, did you drop your lid already? Right here. Over here, see it?
Hey guys.
Guys, you hear that? It's like shh.
Yeah, you hear
Aliyah,
more?
there's a
Oh, right behind you.
Right there.
Where?
See one?
Right there.
Watch, he was just right behind you. See if he lights up again.
Got it, Wes.
Hurry. Put him in my bucket.
Wait, close it, close it, close it.
Uh,
Okay, hold on. Hold on, he's trying to get out. DJ, can you help us put the top on?
Sure.
Guys, look. He's crawling up.
Yeah, I caught that one.
Let me see.
I saw one by the pool, like
Oh,
right by the edge. of
Okay,
the pool.
better go get it then.
I want to put this mine. I don't feel like the bugs are. The
Oh,
bugs are
Is he calling
calling.
again? Oh, did you see that, Aliyah?
The bugs are calling me. The bugs are calling me, guys.
What are they saying? Oh, right in front of you, Aliyah. Straight ahead. He went forward.
Like this way?
Yep.
You
See if he lights up again.
They say you have to have on your power and find us. That's what they said.
Did you catch it? Oh, it's right in front of you. I just saw him light up.
Guys! Grab it!
Did you get it?
No.
He's over there. He flew over there. Oh, he flew over there.
No, he's right by Wesley. He just lit up. Oh, there's a couple of them, I think.
Hey guys, the bugs are calling me.
What are they saying now?
Yes, happy and come to. They said hopping in car and found us.
What's that mean?
Oh, there! He's right behind me.
Get him.
Right there. Where? He went like up to my face. Where's mine? Where's my bug?
He's in there.
Where is he? Where's my bug, Aliyah? Where is he?
There he is.
Where? Guys, look. My bug is up tall.
Oh, neat.
He's
Did you get it?
He's got.
You're chasing him
so
down?
fast.
Oh no, he got away.
I like running. Guys, did you just saw that?
I saw that. You did a great job trying to catch him.
Aliyah! There's one behind me! Where? I perked Aliyah!
You made her think there was one?
Guys,
What are we looking for?
the airplane. You see that airplane? You kind of got to zoom
Oh, I do see that way up there.
in. Land down!
You want him to land down?
Yeah, so we can go up in him. Okay, but that's way.
All right, you guys about ready to go roast some marshmallows?
Yeah, we both got 2, I think so. We
Maybe
need.
we'll find more along the way.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a couple out here just lit up.
Where?
Let's see if they can light back up by the edge of the swing set here.
Guys, come here. The bugs are calling me. The bugs are calling me, guys. Guys, these are called pops.
Puppets?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Well, that was a good one.
that was a good one.
I
think I wanna
try one. I like how they laid up.
Ooh, it does have a spark. Okay, try one more.
Okay, now sew it as hard as you can. Oh, good one. Guys, I did it!
Good
I
job.
can take them now. Gigi, give me a high five.
High five.
Can I set 2 at a time, or is that?
Sure, try it and see what it does.
Okay. Whoa! Set. That almost scared me.
You guys see that up there?
What?
That was pretty neat.
Whoa, I did. Here, go ahead. Ready? Oh, it went. Oh, that was actually a good one, Wes.
All right, Wes, let's see.
Whoa!
Good job.
Guys, give me a high five, bro.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Good job. Do you hear more fireworks?
Yeah. We have the
Doing
pond.
2 at a time?
Yeah. I see more little ponds. Like. Okay, try to keep it on the corner.
There you go.
That is yeah, guys, you have to step away from them. You have to step away from them.
Yeah, stay away from
This
them.
one is open. Hey, guys. Oh, it wasn't open. Okay, get to my. Oh. Here, try it again. Go closer. Oh. Try again.
Might just be a bad one, huh?
Slam it.
Slam it down there, Wes. Okay, we'll say that's a bad one. Why don't you get a new one?
That's a bad one.
Hold on, wait till Aliyah's out of the way.
Okay, now you can do it. Whoa, guys! I want some chocolate. I want a marshmallow.
Okay, we're gonna roast marshmallows just here in a minute.
Can I bust this one?
Sure.
Okay, guys. Now we roast some marshmallows. It's actually much better when it's outside. I'm gonna draw a heart for you guys. Like what I did. Did you have one?
Yeah.
Have
Where's
one.
yours?
Oh, Grandpa's holding it.
Grandpa's got it for you. Ready? You want the cup to hold it?
Yeah, I actually like it when it has the cup on. Because it feels like more safer to me.
You think so?
I like it with snow. And wait, guys.
You're not doing any?
Guys. Guys, who's calling? Eat
Somebody
me
calling you again? Yeah.
Guys, that was
That's the
actually.
fire part. That's hot. But the sparklers won't hurt you.
It looks like stars in the air, like 4th of July. Today is 4th of July. So
Yes.
happy 4th of July.
Yeah,
Happy 4th of July, guys. And look. I got phone. Have the OTD. You have the OTD. You have the 6, 7.
Oh, yeah?
Whoa. Did you guys saw that?
I didn't see it. I hear it.
Marshmallows now.
Roasting marshmallows.
Guys, we have to be careful.
Yes, you have to be very careful.
It's almost, mine is almost cooked. You have to eat them.
Yeah?
Mine's almost cooked. Guys, mine is not cooked yet.
Blow it out, Aliyah. There you go.
I want to get the bottom too. Like, see?
Yeah. Is it roasting?
Yeah, roasting.
Roasting, roasting.
It's not roasting.
No? Aliyah's is.
Mine is a little bit roast. How to get roast everywhere.
Okay.
Look at mine.
Oh, yum. Ooh, a little black on top.
And it's
Yummy,
cooking
yummy.
mine. Can I eat it now?
Sure can. It's hot. Be careful. How's yours coming, Wes?
Oh, there's a.
Is there another one? I missed it.
Guys, look.
Wow.
Mine just got burnt.
This is nice and it's
Oh,
really
it's
hot.
hot.
Just gotta let it cool, buddy. It
You
came out
okay?
of
I
fire,
like
man.
how his is like all roasted. Mine's only like half roasted on the bottom.
Hey guys, I don't feel like eating it.
You're not going to eat it?
I feel like eating
It's really good.
Did you eat it, honey?
You want me to eat it?
Yeah.
You're going to cook that one for me? I just ate your last one.
You have to eat some more.
Is that close? Is that good?
Yeah.
I guys hear it. Look, there's some blue in the sky. You see the blues up in the sky, like over there?
I mean, this
Wait,
one's for
Wes,
you.
stop. Take it out. Take it out.
Okay.
Let it cool.
It's not cooked.
Oh, I thought it was.
It's dry.
Happy 4th of July, guys. Hope you like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.